So the back lens design of Vivo S18 is divided into two symmetrical rounder scale window up and down. The black rounder scale window above is the camera mirror. 2.5D macro ARS surface treatment is also added to the surface, which is more consistent with the rounder lines of the fuselage. The rounder scale window below is the newly designed SOL lighting plus SOL light combination. Vivo S18 gets a 50 megapixel OmniVision OV50E main shooter with OIS and 8 megapixel OmniVision OV0A10 ultra wide lens. The panel features punch-hole cutout for the 50 megapixel front-facing camera, which boasts 90-degree field of view and autofocus. The selfie camera are also flanked by a dual soft LED flash sensor. Vivo S18 uses 6.78 inches eye protection screen with hybrid blue design, which makes it feel better to hold. In terms of display, 6.78 inches AMOLED screen with 2800x1260 pixel, which is known as 1.5K resolution. The S18 screen also supports P3 wide color gamut, 1 billion color display, 120 Hz refresh rate, and peak brightness of 2800 nits, which can be seen clearly under outdoor sunlight. It also supports 2160 LZPWM diamond technology. Vivo S18 is equipped with Qualcomm 3rd generation Snapdragon 7 mobile platform, which uses advanced TSMC 4nm process technology. The mature S18 Intuitive V10 score reached 9339.54 million points. The green band V6 single core score reached 1214 points, and the multi-core score reached 3421 points. A 5000 mAh Video Ocean large battery is placed in thin and light body with the thickness of only 7.45 mm and 189 grams weight. With 18-watt fast charging power, Vivo S18 come in black, green and silver colors. Pricing for the S18 start at 2299 June for the 825GB variant. Open sales for the Vivo S18 in China start on December 22. While the S18 Pro and S18E will be available for January 13, 2024. Vivo S18 Pro start at 3199 June for the 1225GB variant. Vivo S18E price start at 2099 June for the 1225GB variant.